It's impossible to know who might have the virus as thousands return to the streets. But today, suspicions that far more people may have been infected than previously known were fuelled when a new symptom was officially recognised. Chloe Palmer is now in isolation after she tested positive. Her only symptom was a loss of taste, and that wasn't on the official list.
I thought the best thing to do would be to call 111, obviously get some advice from them. And when I spoke to the lady, she said to me if I didn't have a cough and I didn't have a temperature, that I was fine to carry on working.
Although Chloe felt well, her boss insisted on the test and it confirmed COVID-19.
It was obviously a shock when I read it because, I do feel in myself, I feel fine. But yeah, certainly a shock, especially after the advice I was given from 111 as well.
On the 3rd of April, British scientists rejected the need to include losing your sense of smell and taste as a symptom. But later that same month, the US told its citizens it was an official symptom. And 2 weeks after that, the World Health Organization agree it is a sign you could have coronavirus. Today, the medical officer who earlier ruled out taste and smell as a significant symptom added it to the list.
It doesn't always come as the first symptom, and even if it does, it is followed by the cough, the fever, and many of the other symptoms that I've talked about. And the important thing was to work out if this would add any sensitivity to the diagnostic cluster we were using, and the answer is it makes a small, very small difference, and we have therefore decided to do it.
So this is the COVID symptom tracker.
Professor Tim Spector is so convinced other symptoms should have been included, he's invented his own app. And he claims far more people have had the virus than is acknowledged.
I think 100,000 is the minimum number. It depends how far back you go. But if I'm just saying in the last 4 weeks, for example, when it was quite reasonable for the government to change their mind, we did tell them over 6 weeks ago about this paper and the results.
The list of reported symptoms includes tiredness, stomach pain or diarrhoea. Yet a shortage of tests has made it incredibly difficult to definitively say how many people have had the virus, which means tens of thousands may have been walking around unaware they posed a potential risk. Juliet Bremner, News at 10.